My name is Scott Baird. I'm the treasurer for Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods in Canfield, Ohio.
My name is Steve Stack. I'm sales director here at Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods in Canfield.
Our guys take pride in their work. We produce doors and trim that ship from Ohio to California, and they realize that that has Baird's name on it. Our values that we have will not change. It's what we believe in, producing a quality product.
We have folks come in that they want their home to be unique. So they'll come in with a casing design for their doors and windows, or a baseboard design, or both. We pride ourselves in having the engineering department, the tooling department to accomplish that for that customer.
The best advantage is probably the quality of millwork that we're getting. Every piece is identical. There's no one piece better than the other. There's no waste. There's no discrepancies per se. The wood comes out, it immediately goes up into the house. We don't really have any issues with anything. It makes it easier to paint. It looks nicer. It doesn't move. Once we put it up, the moisture content is right.
The size of ours, you have to have quality people. You have to have good people, because you're only going to be as strong as those people are around you.
We have a building that's over 2.5 football fields long, and it is stocked front to back with the oaks, the maple, the poplar, the cherry, the hickory, in moldings, stair treads, dimensional lumber. When you receive it, it's job site ready to be used.
The material and the quality was there 20 years ago, and it's still there today. And that is a big plus for Baird Brothers. I have to give you credit. Yes, you can go to a bargain outlet and possibly get 6 pieces of lumber that are cheaper. If you're going to be out for a good quality product and be able to be proud of it for years and years and years, I tell any contractor to go to Baird Brothers.
Our people have to treat our customers right, whether it be a phone conversation or a handshake across the counter. People need to know that you're important to our business. You are our business.